I don't know why when I first press record, my camera freezes for a bit. I don't know. I just want to give you a quick video of how I achieve my, I guess, waves. And hopefully it's not a fail because, my hair hasn't been washed in like 2 weeks. I know it's really nasty, but I'm a natural girl and when you're a natural hair girl, you know, you don't want to wash it. And then when your skin is like this, you don't want to wash your hair a lot unless you have really oily hair, and I don't. So what I did is quick. I took some olive oil that I used to cook, and I use extra virgin olive oil. I lathered my hair. I heated it up first in the microwave for like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, not too long. You don't want it to be too hot. And then I applied it all over my hair, and then I washed it out. This is about 2 weeks ago from 2 weeks ago, yeah. So I washed it out, and then I left a lot in because my hair gets really dry. So I left a lot in. Like, it was so much that if you touch it, my hands was shiny. But after like 2 3 days, my hair had absorbed all of it. So this is how my hair looks 2 weeks later. And then I blew my hair out, and I'm natural. I blew my hair out, and then I just Bantu knot. So let me just show you how I look under my hat. I'm currently at work on an off day. It's Good Friday. I'm not even supposed to be here, but I just want to make this video really quickly before I go through all the stuff I have to do, just so you can see. So I come outside my scarf off because today is raining, and if you have natural hair and your hair is kind of straight, it poofs up. So I just left my scarf on. Last night I took 4 sections and I made like a bun, like a Bantu knot each section. If you don't know what a Bantu knot is, a Bantu knot is basically like a little bun. So I just take 2 pieces of hair. I'll show you quickly. Look, it didn't even hold, but I'll show you quickly. So you take 2 pieces of hair, and then I just like this, but tightly. See, and you get a Bantu knot, but you would do it tight. So let's take it out because I don't have a lot of time. And this is how it look when you take it out. And as you can tell, it didn't go as well. I didn't put any gel or anything. I just hand detangled, and then I twisted it and put my scarf on. And then when I get to work, just gonna separate it. How would you like it if I did the same to you? How would you like your own medicine? Some girl on YouTube sings this song, and I never really listened to it, but it plays all the time, so I hear it a lot. Check out my new video I just uploaded like an hour ago. It's called We Here. That's the name of it now. Oh, I skipped the back. That's the name of it now, but I might change the name of it. It's a song that's still in draft, actually. And it's like an old school. Remember how the old school songs used to come on and there'd be like one song at the end, it'd be like a skipping of another song? That's how we recorded that. Because, we're 90s babies. Well, we're 80 babies, but we grew up in the 90s, so we're 90s babies. And you can catch out, it's Pawnee again, like it's like About That Life. Yeah, that's pretty much. See, you want to get this result, and then I'm just going to show you the back. Just take the back and just... Because sometimes it leaves the part. And it might get stuck together at the bottom, but who cares, right? I like my hair to look big and crazy. If it's heat or no heat, flat hair, or I like to say dead hair is not the look for me. So I might play with it. If it doesn't look nice, I'll put my signature hairstyle, which is the 2 Bantu knots right here, because that's the easiest thing to keep the hair out my face when I'm chasing people around or, doing my errands and crap. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And then I have some oil here that I got from my I just do that just so it could feel, because in between the hair still be like, under where you can't see still be like all. I don't care if the hair under looks a little, and my hair's, see, so some of it curled, some of it didn't, but it's okay because it's about the mess. And then I'm just going to take some Very Marula oil. It's transforming hair serum for all types of hair, sulfate free. I got this in my what do you call those things? I think it was a Birchbox, or it's another one. I forgot the name of it, but it's like Birchbox, Ipsy, and Birchbox. I get the free samples a month. So basically, you sign up for stuff, and they send you free samples based off, how it's up my scalp, because I have dry hair. And I don't want to, then you can do that thing, that black girls think they can't do, but you can. Flip it forward, and you just, and that's it. This is basically how I do my hair. in the morning when I get to work, or just any day. And I always end up going like that because I think I'm a California girl. Big girls could be sexy too, but I'm gonna keep my part because I'm at work. And that's basically it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you would like more videos like this, let me know. I can show you the before process if you would like to see that as well. Just let me know. Let me make sure you can see my hair. But I'll blind you by light. And let me just give you a quick shot of the back. I might put some Bantu knots in it just so it's not all on my face. You could do anything. You could put it up right here. You could do a lot of things, but I'm just going to keep it all on my face because, why not? And the more the day goes on, you'll notice that your hair looks better and better, or the opposite, it looks worse and worse. But even when it gets poofy and more, like say when I go outside, it's really wet outside, it's raining, it'll get a little more poofy. It'll make the curls more stuck, like more like. So I hope you like this video. Remember, this is dirty hair. This is how I revive my dirty hair. Or if you're natural, you know how hard it is and you don't feel like doing a wash day. I don't care for the imperfections. Like, this is an imperfection, but imperfections make beauty, Please make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Thank you for the subscribers. Thank you, new people, for watching me. And I really appreciate it. I do notice, and I'm sorry I'm not uploading videos fast enough. I have so many videos I work on, but I just don't upload them because editing takes forever. So lately, I just said I'm gonna release videos without editing them, and I hope you guys like it. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm sorry I don't look more glamorous. Oh, and I'll make a skincare video. People are asking me about my skin. I have really clear skin. I don't really wear makeup. I'll make a skincare video. I don't want to talk too much. So once again, thank you so much. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Check out my new dance video, We Here, featuring Pawnee, up now on my channel. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. And if you want to do this hairstyle, if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. Feel free to share. See you next time.